Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Have you ever needed a quick cake fix and reached for a store-bought frosting, but wish it tasted more like you made it from scratch? Well, I got a sweet little trick for you. You go ahead and get that can of frosting, but what you're going to do is put it in a bowl and whip it until it is nice and creamy. And then you're going to frost your cake with it. It's going to spread beautifully and it's going to even taste different. Try this quick, tasty tip and let me know how it comes out. It will taste way better than homemade. You can even fold in a splash of vanilla, a pinch of salt, or a little cream cheese.